Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TastyFX to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your device. Afterwards, when you launch it, you are going to see this type of home page. So here, tap on this plus icon or this tab that says Add Trading Account. After tapping on it, it will ask you to find the broker. So here in the search bar, you need to simply search for TastyFX. Now, when you are able to find the TastyFX server, you just have to tap on it. Now, it will ask you to log in into your existing account. So if you already have your account here in your TastyFX, you just have to simply log in into it, then access to your dashboard. When you go to the settings, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. So from there, you need to copy the login ID, then you need to paste it over here. After that, you need to copy the password from there, then you need to paste it over here. In the servers, you just have to simply select whether it is a demo account or a live account. After that, simply tap on the option of login. So this way, you will be able to connect TastyFX to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.